let's talk about this gray area that I just spoke about in a previous video. Yes, what in the world, what else could be due at this point? I mean, after all, you've paid for your option to walk away, you've given up earnest money, and you've paid a third-party inspector to even come out and do your added due diligence on the property that you're intending to buy. So I know you're asking that question, what else? What else is needed of me? And so in many cases, depending on who you've chosen as your lender, as your bank, they could likely ask for you to go ahead and cover the cost of the appraiser. What? What's an appraiser? I'm glad you asked me that. An appraiser is an unbiased party, goes out to the property. Much of their work is done from their desktop, but what they're going out for is just to confirm that you're paying a fair price. They're going to compare carpet in this house to the home maybe up the way from you, and the layout, all types of things. Maybe there was an odor and they're having to adjust negatively just to make sure that you're paying a fair price. So in case they ask for this fee up front, expect to spend anywhere from around $400 up to maybe $600 or $700 or so. Here in Texas is what we see, and oftentimes the higher it is, it may be a rush fee involved with that. So expect that lender, if they asked you for it, prepare those funds for it. And if you don't have it, there's nothing wrong with asking, can you defer this to closing? Many of our lending partners do just that. They either defer that cost to closing, or they'll say, I'll eat it if I'll take it off if something happens and for any reason they don't close on the home. So make sure you're connected with the right lending team to take care of that for you. I trust that this was helpful, and I've answered your questions around what monies do you need before closing day. Go buy a house.